Hi everyone. Today I'm going to give you a sneak peek of our new Create Connection tool, which will be available in our upcoming release of MIS 23. This operation allows you to create multiple connections automatically between the several paths. So as an example, I have this aorta aneurysm model, which I'm going to connect with this base plate using Create Connection tool. So this tool is located under design menu. So here my entity will be my aorta aneurysm model, and my target entity will be my base plate. You can also change the parameters as per your requirement. I'm changing the radius to 1 and then hit apply. It will automatically create the connectors between the models. As you can see here, a group of analytical cylinder has been created. And if you want to create an additional connection at the desired position, like in this region, you can change the method to manual. Now you can select the region where you want to place the connectors. Like this. And then hit apply. So once the connector have been positioned, you can select and edit them via interactive edit option. You can change the point position, or you can change the radius, also the length of the connector, like this. So once you are happy with the connection, you can convert your analytical primitive to path in just one click. Select your connections and hit apply. So this was the sneak peek of our Create Connection tool. Thanks for watching.